How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, it looks like Ingenuity is not the only drone that NASA is developing to fly on another planet. The exploration duo of Perseverance and Ingenuity work well on Mars because of the thin atmosphere. But NASA is looking at the benefits of combining these features into one drone to optimize space and efficiency. And so meet Dragonfly. Dragonfly is about the size of a small car and has all the exploration equipment pre-installed. But you won't see this drone on Mars. NASA is designing this drone to operate on the ocean world of Titan, one of Saturn's moons. Scheduled to arrive on Titan in 2027, the Dragonfly drone will arrive to Titan by capsule, similarly to other rovers that came before it. With an atmosphere of similar thickness to that of Earth, the drone will be able to fly around from point to point. NASA has to plan for this drone to be very light, so if it is equipped with wheels to maneuver, they'd have to be very small and the movements would have to be very minute. NASA has decided that a flying rover would be more ideal for this kind of environment since there's so much water and moisture. You don't want this to get stuck in the mud. But we're not ruling out the possibility that there still could be a secondary escort drone. NASA is learning from the Ingenuity drone that having a second eye in the sky is time and energy efficient. And NASA has been hard at work developing smaller and energy efficient drones that could do the work. NASA just has a number of different dimensions they have to consider, like will the drone be able to fit inside the Dragonfly or in the capsule that brings the Dragonfly to Saturn's moon? An obvious choice for this mission would be a VTOL aircraft with its large wingspan and energy-efficient motors, but will it fit within Dragonfly? Probably not. 2027 seems like a long way off, but NASA will have to make these decisions this year, and Ingenuity's successes on Mars will contribute to these decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.